My friend Shane invited me into this project as a structural engineer and a shop manager. Till the official presentation, I can only show our work without revealing final project. For now, let's call it Booby the Bus Escapade. So, today's big task is we have to extend this wall of the roof all the way to the back of this opening, 19.5 inches. So by the end of the day, this roof will be ending right here. Right now is about 36 feet long, so it's gonna be 37 and some change. And first thing what we have to do, we have a helper here. He's a fabricator. He brought his welder, and unfortunately we don't have the outlet for this. Is a plug. So Chris went to the Home Depot and he's gonna actually bring the right box like this, most likely with that his outlet. I have to take this my Pigtail, take all this apart, and then install the other outlet so we can plug him in.